Hi. I'm Eric, an automotive technician with 15 years of experience. This video is going to explain the meaning of this error code, and show you how to diagnose and fix it. OBD-II fault code P006D means that there is a calibration issue with the Barometric Pressure Sensor or Turbocharger Inlet Pressure Sensor, which affects engine performance. When you encounter this OBD error, the vehicle typically exhibits the following symptoms. 1. Decreased engine performance. 2. Decreased engine performance. Now we talk about possible causes, and how to diagnose and fix. Wiring issue. Check for any visible damage to the wiring connected to the Barometric Pressure Sensor and Turbocharger Inlet Pressure Sensor. Use a multimeter to test for continuity and resistance in the wiring. Repair or replace any damaged wiring. Make sure all connections are secure and have good contact. Broken air intake tube. Inspect the air intake tube for any cracks, holes, or disconnections. Ensure that it is properly connected to the turbocharger. Replace the broken air intake tube with a new one. Make sure it is properly installed and sealed. Mass airflow, MAF, sensor failure. Use a scan tool to monitor the MAF sensor's data and compare it to the expected values. Inspect the sensor for any physical damage or contamination. Clean or replace the MAF sensor as needed. Reset the fault code and monitor engine performance. Powertrain Control Module, PCM, failure. Perform a diagnostic scan of the PCM to check for any other related fault codes. Ensure that the PCM is receiving power and ground. Replace the PCM if it is determined to be faulty. Ensure that the new PCM is properly programmed and calibrated. Turbo Inlet Pressure Sensor failure. Inspect the turbo inlet pressure sensor for physical damage or loose connections. Use a multimeter to test the sensor's output signal. Replace the turbo inlet pressure sensor if it is determined to be faulty. Calibrate the new sensor according to manufacturer specifications. If there are uncertainties, feel free to engage in discussions by leaving a comment. Alternatively, when facing difficulties, it is advisable to seek assistance from a professional auto repair shop and technicians. It is not recommended to handle it independently, especially when uncertain. Thanks for watching.